Struble Orthodontics. I'm Dr. Struble, and I wanted to thank you for entrusting us with your orthodontic care. Caring for your teeth is the most important part of your time in braces. Patients that maintain healthy teeth and healthy gums actually experience faster tooth movement. Everything that you'll need to properly care for your teeth is in this bag. By following these tips, you will find your orthodontic treatment faster and easier, and that's our hope for you here at Struble Orthodontics. You should floss every night to help maintain healthy gums and avoid tissue inflammation. The platypus flosser is designed to fit under the wire of your braces. Notice there's a thin side and a thick side. The thin side slides between your teeth and the orthodontic wire. They can be reused, but clean between each use. You can also order these great little tools online at www.platypusco.com. platypusco.com. Another alternative to the platypus flosser is to use a floss threader that we provide and floss you may have at home. You use this by inserting the floss through the floss threader, and this helps your ability to get the floss below the orthodontic wire and in between your teeth and the brackets. Then you can floss between your teeth like so. You can also use super floss to floss underneath the orthodontic wire and use the floss to go between the teeth like so. We are also providing you with this additional tool, the Waterpik battery-operated power flosser. It does not replace flossing, but can be used for harder to reach places or the ones that need a little bit more attention. It's a great tool to use with your orthodontic appliances like the Herbst, expander, or bands. To use, please place the tip between the teeth at the gum line and turn on the battery-operated button. You will feel a vibration as it helps stimulate and cleanse the gum tissue. We recommend using an electric toothbrush for the best results during your orthodontic treatment. Whether using an electric or manual toothbrush, be sure to properly angle the bristles along the gum line to remove the plaque from the small area of tooth between the bracket and your gums. If the plaque sits along the gum line, it may cause inflammation of the gums and result in gingivitis. It may also potentially scar the enamel of your teeth, leaving unsightly white spots. Please make sure to do this above and below the bracket. This tool is called a prox brush. This tool is designed to clean the space under the wire between your brackets. The reason you use this tool is because your toothbrush bristles may not reach the area between the brackets, right directly underneath the wire. When using the proxy brush, be sure to insert at the gum line and push the food away. This is a great tool for on the go, keeping it in your purse, your backpack, at work, in your car. Great tool for after lunch and meals or snacking. Now that you have your braces, you are going to need to change the way you eat certain foods. It's important that you avoid anything that is hard, crunchy, or sticky and chewy. Examples of these foods are chips, ice, popcorn, hard nuts, hard candy, gum, caramel, taffy, and various other candies. We recommend that you make healthy food choices, but you will need to cut things like apples and carrots into bite-sized or thinner pieces when you eat. If you're looking for a substitution for chips or popcorn, we suggest Lay's potato chips, Pirate Booty, or cheese puffs, as these are softer forms of these food items. The reason we ask for your cooperation is to minimize the number of avoidable emergency appointments due to broken brackets or pokey wires. By following these guidelines, your treatment will stay on track and we can reduce the number of extra appointments needed during your braces. As your cheeks and mouth get used to these new appliances, you may also occasionally develop sore spots. The best way to make yourself comfortable is to use orthodontic wax. To apply the wax, pinch off a small amount and press between your fingers to soften. Make sure the area of irritation in your mouth is dry. Pack the wax directly on the source of irritation. It may come off while eating or brushing, but you can reapply the wax as often as needed to keep yourself comfortable. Occasionally you may find yourself with a loose or broken bracket which is separated from your tooth. While we usually do not consider this an orthodontic emergency, occasionally it may cause some discomfort, and we would like for you to call us and let us know so that we can schedule you for a repair appointment. In the meantime, use wax if there is any discomfort. The best solution is to slide the bracket to the closest neighbor and pack the two brackets with wax to keep it from irritating your mouth. We occasionally use small wires twisted under the orthodontic arch wire to hold spaces together. Sometimes the pigtails of these small wires do become pokey or untwisted. It is possible to use a pencil or eraser to push the wire back into a comfortable position if it is irritating you. Occasionally you may experience a pokey wire, which can be irritating or uncomfortable. Once again, please try to use the wax to make yourself comfortable. We do recommend warm saltwater rinses 2 to 3 times a day for 30 seconds each time to aid in the healing process. Please call us to make a short appointment to have your wire clipped or reinserted into the bracket slot. Bands are glued to your teeth with orthodontic cement. They should not become loose unless you're eating hard or sticky foods or using excessive side-to-side jaw movement. Loose bands usually do not create true emergencies or significant soreness, but you should call our office to schedule an appointment to repair the band in the next several days.